The temple is a historical heritage that must be kept to remember the past story that has happened. Tegowangi Temple is one of the temples in East Java, which is a legacy of the Majapahit Kingdom. Follow this explanation. This is Tegowangi Temple. The location of Tegowangi Temple from the center of Kediri city is less than 35 kilometers. This temple is also not far from Kampung Inggris Pare, only 6 kilometers west. Tegowangi Temple has a square shape with a foundation made of bricks and some stones which are still made of andesite stone. The legs of the temple are flat and ornate. Each side of the temple's legs were found three upright panels that were raised giant, sitting squatting, both hands raised thickly like supporters of the temple building. Beside the carved protrusions encircling the temple above the protuberance, there is a decorated sides of the clapper. In the middle part of the body, in the middle of each side is a plain pillar connecting the body and feet of the temple. The pillars do not seem to have been finished. Around the body of the temple, the reliefs of the Sudamala story are placed 14 panels, 3 panels on the north side, freedom panels on the west side, and 3 panels on the south side. The story book contains of goddess Durga in bat form and able to be goddess Uma in the form carried out by Sadewa, the youngest figure in the Pandava story. While in the temple's body boat, Yoni is provided with a spout in the shape of a dragon. In the temple courtyard, there are several statues, namely Parvati Ardhanari, a human body, Garuda, and the rest of the temple in the southeast corner. Based on the statues found a tree there, and there is a Yoni in the temple chamber. This temple has a Hindu background. Not only that, on one side of the temple there is one of the reliefs called Panji reliefs. Because in the reliefs there are legendary figures in the history of Kediri, namely Raden Panji Inu Kertapati, and also Princess Galuh Chandra Kirana. The story of the grace of Arya Kamandanu with Meisin and Tegowangi Temple. Most people around Tegowangi Temple have a myth. This myth has been told and believed for generations. The surrounding community believes that Arya Kamandanu and Meisin used to make love in the Tegowangi Temple area, ensuring under one of the trees in Tegowangi Temple. Too bad the tree has been dead for a long time and is also cut down by local residents because it is already rot and endangering visitors. However, Tegowangi's community story from the Tinular Tutur book is the work of Estijab, which tells the story of life and search for the identity of a warrior with the spirit of a knight named Arya Kamandanu against the historical background of the collapse of the Singosari Kingdom and the establishment of the Majapahit Kingdom.